Hello students, Devyani ma'am here. So today we are going to start with features of planning. That is second topic today we are going to start with of chapter number 4. You can see on screen features of planning, managerial function, goal oriented, pervasive, continuous activity, intellectual process, futuristic and decision making. Let's start with first feature of planning. Planning focus on achieving objective. So definitely plans start with determination of objective. In the planning process, the very first thing that the management people are going to do, that is they fix objective for organization. So planning is chalking out all necessary plan of action. Next feature of planning, it's a primary function. Students, actually it's a primary function because all the rest of the functions of management are based on this planning function only, because planning provides a framework for rest of the functions. So planning precedes other functions. Planning is pervasive. Planning is required at all levels of management, and as well as in each and every department planning is required, each and every unit planning is required. Now planning is not restricted to top level management only. So planning, they have to do planning at every level of management, right from the top to the bottom. So just see on screen mention over there for the top management, what the top management is going to do. Top management plan for the most important thing as a whole organization. They plan for the whole organization and the things which are very crucial for the success of organization, that is planned by top management. Middle management do their departmental planning, and the lowest level management do their day-to-day planning. So planning is continuous activity. Let us start with planning is all the elements of management are continuous. So hence planning is one of the element of management. It is also continuous. It is never ending process. So plans, once they make the plan, their monthly plan or quarterly plan, and again if any changes is required, they make changes in the plan. If any changes are there in the external organization, external environment, then they are going to make changes in their plan. So in this manner, planning, it's a continuous process. Planning is futuristic. Of course it is. Planning is for future, we all are aware of that part. Planning essentially looking ahead and preparing for the future. So the purpose of planning is to meet future events effectively to the best advantage of an organization. So planning is always regarded as forward looking function, which is based on forecasting. And very important question from board point of view also, student, and many a times a question is there in board exams, that why planning is termed as forward looking function. So planning is forward looking function because planning, when in the planning process, plans are made for to anticipate future risk, to predict future we are doing the planning. Then we are moving toward the next one. Planning involve decision making. Planning essentially involve choice from among various alternatives. In the planning process, you are going to check that part. Number of alternatives are there. If only one method is there to achieve your objective, then things are very simple. But when number of methods are there, then you have to select one best method, or the management people have to select one best course of action. So one best course of action to be selected is decision making. So planning involve decision making. Planning, it's a mental exercise. So planning requires application of the mind involving foresight, intelligent imagination, sound judgment. Planning requires logical and systematic thinking rather than the guesswork. It's a mental exercise. Of course, planning itself, it's a intellectual process, and it's a logical thinking. It's not the way one feels so. It's a rational approach we have done in the meaning. So everything is scientific based on certain assumptions. So planning, it's a mental exercise. So we have done with the features of management, planning. That's it, students. Thank you.